Bonjour tout le monde, hello everybody, this is Lo from Lo App Design. So today in my quick and easy tutorial, Sketchup tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a picture window frame for your Sketchup models. So let's start with a rectangle, 35 by 25 feet. That's going to be the base of our walls. Okay, then you go to the offset tool, create your walls themselves. I made an 8 inches thick walls. Create a group to make sure that you don't damage anything with your walls first, then create a group with your floor because you don't know what you are going to do later on that with that model. So triple click on your walls, push pull 9 feet, and then you have the base of your house or shop or whatever. Okay, still working on that group. Within the group, you can see it because of the red dotted line around. Create a small opening. That's going to be your window. I'm going to link a video, easy, quick tutorial in order to do that. Okay, then you grab your line tool, go in the middle of that specific line, that's the wall, and then click on the other side and so on the four faces of what's going to be your window. So you're drawing a square or a rectangle depending on the size. That creates a face. Okay, double click on that face to select everything, make a group so you're sure you don't touch anything around it, and then push pull tool 1 inch, go on the other side, push pull tool 1 inch. So that makes you a 2 inches thick frame. Okay, go back to your offset tool, then go 2 inches inside, and that's your frame. That part here is your glass. Okay, so you delete it with the push pull tool. Then you are going to proceed the same way. This time I took the rectangle tool. Well, I go in the middle. So you see the midpoint, it's snapping. Okay, you create your face. Push pull, 1/4 inch. That's going to be the thickness of my glass. Okay. And then once that's done, be on your keyboard. For the bucket, you open the glass panel. You select the glass you want. I increase a little bit the thickness of it, and then you click, and so your window now has a glass and a frame. And that's a quick and easy tutorial. You can create, I will create a group or a component. In this case, I created a component so I can reuse my window anywhere I want. And if I make a modification on one, I'll make a modification on all. All right, I hope that was helpful. If it was, please subscribe to my channel. That will tremendously help me. And I will see you next time. Thank you.